It's your girl Key, aka Kiwi, and I hope y'all are doing well and trying to stay cool in the summer heat because it is hot outside, okay? Like, I don't even want to wear clothes when I go outside right now because it's so hot. Like, it is so hot, but I still love summer. So for today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I got this look, and I use a number of different palettes, so I'll put all the information in the description box. It's not going to be a talk through because this is very similar to the summer look that I did, and I'll put the link for that in the description box as well. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment and I'll respond. I hope you all enjoy this video and this look. It's not your typical summer look because of course the shades are a little bit darker and my lips are dark, but I had on gray and I just couldn't decide what kind of makeup to do. So I said, you know, just go with the flow, and that's what I did. So I hope you all enjoy this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you won't miss any of my videos because your girl is going off right now, okay?